Welcome all to this tutorial, to the first part of it to be more precise, because in the first part I will introduce you to a product called zterm. So previously we've talked about zhire. Today we will talk about zterm. So one is used for creating accounts and the other one is used, zterm is used for deactivating accounts. As before, you can just go ahead and click on start your free trial. Just in case you're watching this tutorial first and not about the zhire, here in customer support in the zterm version 5.2 guide, you can have a look at the requirements, and I always strongly encourage all new users to do so to make sure that the program will run in their environment. So it supports Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008 R2, and 2012, of course. Keep that in mind. They need to be domain joined and they require Net 3.5 and 4.0 installed. So those things you need to have. Without them, they will not work. Anyway, let's go ahead and scroll up to the top somehow. Yes, thank you. Please, no. I'm gonna go back because I don't need this anymore. And let us go ahead and click on start your free trial. Download free trial now. zterm is downloaded in the same file along with zhire, so it's all the same file. You just need to download it and then unzip it and then just select the program that you wish to use. Go ahead and click on download. So I want to save it as. Let's go to downloads and I shall save it there. Thank you very much. The download process is exactly the same as for zhire. It is very fast, very efficient. It will not waste your time. Of that I assure you. You don't need any coffee breaks for downloads or anything of a kind. The download is pretty much instantaneous, as both programs combined are 908 kilobytes. So let's go to downloads, and there you go. You have Zohno tools. You will need to unpackage this. So zterm, this is the one that we need at the moment. And if I go ahead and start it, it's going to say it's compressed and so on and so forth. In Windows, you're going to be prompted to basically just immediately extract it, extract all. And I want a different folder to extract this to. I want it to be extracted to desktop. Let's say okay there. Extract. Let's see what happens here. Replace file destination. Okay, sure, why not? Let's close these things, and now we have zterm right underneath zhire that we've used previously. So let's go ahead and open up zterm, and if you go ahead and click here on the zterm icon, again, there is no installation process. There is nothing special that you need to do. All that you will really need to do is just double click on the application. It will start, and the procedures are fairly similar, if not the same, for zterm as well as for zhire. But I did want to give you a demonstration, and I will give it to you in the follow-up tutorial. For the time being, I just want to show you where you can download it, how you can start it, that you do not require time to download it. It's pretty much instantaneous, that you are not required to go through any complex installation procedures of whatsoever, and to show you where you can find the requirements for this tool. Now, what this tool does, as I said previously, opposite of zhire, it deactivates accounts. But what is so special about it is that it can actually, like zhire, which creates accounts across multiple services, it can actually deactivate accounts across multiple services, which is fantastic, as it saves a lot of time, a lot of nerves, and you do not need to do repetitive tasks time and time again. Rather, instead, you can automate the repetitive tasks of user deactivation through zterm. In any case, I bid you all farewell, and please join me in the follow-up tutorial where I will demonstrate how to use zterm on real-life examples within my setup environments. I will be using Windows 2012 R2 server along with Active Directory, Exchange, and Lynch.